statement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing.
Of course, I can't talk to you while I'm in Lowe's because they have music.
Card, main egg. Perfect. Okay. Look all over your card. You will see F's in every section.
This vlog has had very little talking. I figured that I would just bring you along and turn the camera on. I am currently at work. At my place of employment, we are having a beginner's Mahjong class. And last night we had a very large gala with about 240 people. I'm exhausted. After last night, I did go to sleep, got up this morning, and went to church and had lunch with the family. We went to Lowe's. Friend, how are you? How have you been? Today is my off day, and usually I try to record on my off days. That way I can upload and have a video up on Tuesday of each week. But I have not had an off day in probably 3 weeks. Hence why there has not been a video. My gosh, so much has happened. I have been finalizing my edits on my dissertation proposal so that I can defend that, and that was gruesome. You know, a lot of time working full-time, kids commitments. I have a senior in high school, and girlfriend has been doing all the senior things. So the extra time that I've had has been literally showering and sleeping. That's it. We are winding down our final days up until high school graduation, and I have not had time to really get on social media, let alone bring a camera, film, edit, and all of that. So I hope that we are still able to find each other. So hopefully I'm getting around to having my Mondays to, take my friends, which is you, around and get some things done, and I can have these videos back up on Tuesday. So much has happened. Some fun things have happened, and I actually feel more refreshed than I have been. It probably is best that I wasn't able to pick up the camera and record, because honestly I really have not been, and I have not been my best self because of the amount of stress and pressure that I have been under. Has that stress and pressure, is it gone? No, but I'm at a better place, and I think that it's best that I didn't push myself to get on the camera, because I could have been negative. You could have felt the energy come from me, and that's not definitely what I want to display on my channel at all. Although I like to share, authentic moments and real moments, but if it can bring someone else down, I don't want to do it. All right. So today I have to take my car to get serviced. My tires are I'm needing to get them replaced. Evidently, because I'm always having to get my tires replaced, evidently I'm driving as if I am doing wheelies in the street. Like, the threads on my tires are not good, and I have very expensive tires. So I was told to not speed when I press gas, and I'm like, well, where am I speeding to? So I just, okay, All right. I have a 4-wheel drive. If you're into cars or anything like that, I have a 4-wheel drive. So my car is an off-the-road vehicle. When my husband was talking today, he said the next vehicle I get has to be a 2-wheel. I don't know the difference. If the difference in me getting a 2-wheel vehicle will require me to drive like I normally drive and not have to continually get my tires replaced, I guess it's the best for me. So I'm getting ready to travel to take my car to get serviced. I have to complete graduation invitations for my oldest, and I also need to read 2 chapters for a class that I will have, and this is also my week to travel to Jackson. And then I need more foundation. I use Juvia's Place, and hopefully I can take you to Target. And when I say hopefully, that's only because I want to remember to bring my camera. But I do need to do an Ulta run, not a Target run, an Ulta run. And when I get back home, hopefully I'll understand more of my chapters so that I can help my group present well. And I also need to get my nails done. They are desperately in need of a makeover. I know we're chatting it up, but please let me know what you've been up to. Let me know how everything is going in your world. I tell you, every time I think about women, it's like we are some super power infused creatures. We do it all and still find time to look our best and take care of those around us. So hats off to you. Let's get on the road. For my daughter's graduation invitation envelopes, I will seal them with glue sticks. So that's the purpose of the visit here at Walmart. I really enjoy the Juvia's Place foundation, and I am in the shade 330, but I have gone to several Ultas and I have had the hardest time trying to get my shade. This is just one of the trips that I went to. No luck. Fast forward several hours later, and my car is finally serviced. My husband and I went around, and you're shaking because I have you propped up real weird, but we went and ran a few errands, had lunch, and now I'm getting ready to head back home.